headed over the bridge. One of Rocket's favorite parts of the ride, right, Rocket? Yes, babe. Oh, you're so good to me, babe. Oh, look at, we have a lot of people on the bridge today. Oh boy. We got like people riding their bikes, people walking. They're out early. Yeah. Take your dog for a ride day. They will appreciate it. Look at this guy. Rocket. Is that fun, babe? Yeah. It's very fun, babe. Reed. Is it fun, babe? It's fun. Who likes to stick their head out the window? Rocket, you like to stick your head out the window, babe? Take your dog for a ride. If you got nowhere to go, hey, drive them out to Drive-In Dog Park. It's in Barberville, Florida. You can drive your car right in there, close the gate behind you, and just play and play. That's where we're going. Take care. Oh, did I mention that Drive-In Dog Park is a private dog park that you can reserve on Sniff Spot? What does private mean? It means it will be just you and your friend. It's located right next to a sheep farm, so there are sheep that might come up to say hi, and there's feed there available. You could feed them. You could socialize them with your dog. They'll come to say hi. What do you think? Rocket's very excited about it. Right, Rocket?